Welcome back, friends, with new interesting topic, chapter number 11, else and else if, or here we can say elif statement. So if a statement you have coded so far have been or all nothing, its condition tested true, right? And if a statement we have to true one statement, and what happen if one statement is not true, so there can be any solution. So here we are providing you solution with elif statement. So before proceeding further, don't forget to subscribe and give it a big thumbs up. So here we are using elif statement. If species is equals to cat, print. If it's not a cat, if it's dog, then what's right? So if its species is cat, okay, it's cat. Else, after that we have again used that semicolon, and print statement is the same. Okay, and what is the difference? Yeah, if donut condition is equals to friend, buy score equals to 10. Elif donut price equals to low, buy score equals to 5. L, if it's not, it's more than low, it's bad, so buy score equals to 0. So here we can also use, if you got 10 out of 10, you got 100% result. If you got 10 out of 8, you got better. If you 7, it's average, and if you got 4, then it's bad, it's poor, you're fail, right? So that's all of chapter number 11, and I'm going to give you a practical implementation. So let's watch. Okay, friends, species, I'm going to copy the same, okay, for you people. Species equals to dog. If species equals to cat, print it's cat. Okay, I'm going to break else colon print it's dog, right? Let's run and check we are right or wrong. Yeah, it's dog, right? So friends, here I have given you a demo of that. And what about donuts? Okay, let's check the donut example. Donut equals status equals to low, right? If donut equals to fresh, print, sorry, I forget the semicolon, print buy equals to 10. Elif from print buy equals to 5. Else print don't buy, right? So I'm going to run. Let's check whether it's right or wrong. It's wrong, because I've commit a mistake in donut equals to fresh, and its statement I've committed a mistake. What is that? It's double equals, right? So you can see that how case sensitive it is. So double equals, and let's run. Again error. What is that? Buy equals to 5. Yeah. Okay, friends, now you can see that I had an error in my previous code, because I committed a mistake of this double quotation mark. We have in a string we can use double quotation mark. After that I've committed a mistake in low, so as I said, it's case sensitive, it will definitely give an error. So I'm going to give you a live demo for this code. Let's copy my previous code. You can also copy that code and you can add yours own, and if you have any error, so do comment me. And I'm going to change value. Okay, buy price is 10 and buy price is 5. Okay, it can be dollar or any currency, right? So buy price is 5 because donuts quality is low. I hope you people understand what I was trying to explain you. If you have any queries, so do ask me in comment, and don't forget to subscribe and give it a big thumbs up. Thank you.